Today we are going to look at density of this kind of rock, and you see it's hard rock, huh? Really hard. You knock ourselves, painful, huh? But these rocks are known as, how do you pronounce this? Pumice, okay. And they come from the volcano. You know the volcano? The hot lava that flows out. And then when it cools, now you got this. Because when the hot lava flows out down the volcano, the mountain, right, it will cool, right? So when it cools, there will be bubbles of air formed inside. The bubble of air forms inside here. You can see the holes, right? You can see the holes. Can you see the holes? Yeah, okay. Now we put this, hold it up, inside the water. Put it inside, yeah. Oh, the pumice float. The pumice float. Okay. We use a pen to push it in. Push. Yeah, cannot go in, right? Push all the way down. Let go, it can come out, right? Okay, the next one, big one. Wow, big one. Okay, put inside. Yeah. Big one. Wow, it still floats, right? It still floats. Okay. And it's floating on top of water, meaning that the pumice is less dense than water. And we know that the relative density, what is the short form for relative density? What's the short form for relative density just now? It's called? What's the short form for relative density? RD, yeah? RD, remember that, huh? So the RD of water is 1, therefore the RD of pumice will be more or less than 1. RD of water is 1, so since pumice floats on water, so the RD of water will be less than 1 or more than 1? Less than 1, yes. Very good. But we don't know whether the pumice will float in oil or not. If the pumice floats in oil, it's going to be very messy. Oil you've got to wash out. Then it will be less than 0.8. If it sinks in oil, then it will be more than 0.8. Okay, for the relative density. Okay, we put this aside. Yes. You think you want to float in oil? Okay, we try. Never mind, after they will wash out. Okay, now we put the pumice in oil. You see? Put the pumice in oil. Oh, it still floats in oil, right? The pumice still floats in oil. Hey. So the RD, the relative density of pumice, is less than 0.8. Because the oil is 0.8. Now we got a problem. We got to go and wash. Every time you do experiment, you must clean up as soon as possible.